Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add watermark on Capcut PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to add watermark on Capcut PC. Just open your Capcut app. After that, click import. Now just import the video. Okay, I have this one, and then just add the video to the track here. Okay, to add watermark, you can add icon or you can add a text. In this video, I just will add a text watermark. To add the text watermark, just click on text. And add to the track, and here you can just adjust the duration, and here for the text just type what you want the watermark. For example, I will type here design pro guide, and here you can change the font. Just select the font you want. Okay, for example this one, and here you can just decrease or increase the size, and here you can move it, and after that just scroll down, and here blend, you can change the opacity, decrease it or increase it. Okay, for example like this. Yeah, okay, now just let's play the video. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to add watermark on Capcut PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.